Hello everyone, thank you for joining again. My name is Taylor and today I'm going to teach you how to install Apache and PHP. So first what you want to do is make sure that you have a server running Linux. You can utilize a cloud server, but I'm going to be using a locally hosted server here. So we will utilize SSH to connect to the server. So we'll say SSH, the username, and then the IP or host name of this server. And then you'll go ahead and enter a password, or if you're using key value pairs, you won't need a password. Finally, let's switch to a super user by typing SU, hit enter. You'll enter the super user password. Now we can install packages inside of this server. I'm using Debian, so I'll be using the apt package manager. So we'll say sudo apt install php-y, hit enter. So this will install PHP as well as the Apache server. Now that this installation is complete, if you're running this server locally, we can navigate to the IP or host name of this server. So let's go ahead and open up a browser now. Now that I have a browser open, let's go ahead and navigate to the IP or host name and let's hit enter. As you can see, we have an Apache 2 server running the default page of Debian. Now, let me show you how to edit this page. Let's go ahead and reopen our terminal and let's go back into the server here. We'll clear the screen and we're going to say cd space /var /www/html. Hit enter. Now let's clear the screen and now let's type ls to list all the files within the HTML directory. So here we have index.html. Let's go ahead and edit that index.html. So let's clear the screen again and type vim space index.html. Hit enter. If you see something like this, that means that Vim is not installed on the server. So we need to utilize the package manager to install Vim. You can also utilize other text editors like Nano, but I like to use Vim. So we'll install Vim by typing sudo apt install vim-y. Hit enter. Okay, now that we have Vim installed, let's go ahead and remove the index.html file by typing rm index.html. Now let's type vim index.html again and then hit enter. Now we'll type I to insert text. We'll type HTML. And then let's close the HTML by opening and closing the greater than and less than symbols. And then we'll type /HTML. And now we can type h1. And then let's close the h1 tag. And then say hello world. Push escape :WQ to exit out of Vim and save the file. Now, if we go back to our browser, let's minimize this screen. And then let's refresh this page. You can see we removed the Debian landing page and now we have hello world. So this is just the basics of how to install PHP and Apache on your server. Thank you all for watching. I invite you to subscribe and I hope to see you next time.